Hello. Hello. Yes, good afternoon, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Today is 25th of October. So I'd like us to start off with the chart on our screen. This is Brent oil. I'm going to look at it first because it looks really good. Actually, we do have a very good level here where the price is current. This is why I'm so much interested in it. You can see that previously this was a very good resistance level. We had some support here. Then you can see a bullish move from when the price broke above this level. So what this means following this breakout is that when the price was coming back and even touching this line here, this is supposed to be the correct place to look for a buy from. So if you're on this chart when this was happening, that is after the break above this point, then the price continued down, then this red candle here, when it was below this line, this was the correct time to look for a sell from. So basically you could have taken a sell here, you could have taken a buy from around this level 66.530, expecting that buy to push price at least up to where the price is now. So currently we do expect the same thing to happen now. We don't expect price to close beyond 83.80. That is, we do expect sellers to push price from this point to the lower side, at least up to this level here. But if for some reasons the price closes above this point, then this will mean we are now continuing upwards, at least up to this level here, where if it breaks above, then we do expect a continuation much higher, at least up to the next level, which is this one here. The next chart which I want us to look at, sorry about that, I want us to look at Euro USD. So I want us to look at Euro USD. I will load it on my screen. We have it here. So Euro USD so far, it looks like the price is bearish. We are in some downtrend. Let me delete these lines. So Euro USD, this is how it looks on my side. I'm saying we are sellers because of one reason. So we have a level here. We do have insert objects and then we put horizontal line. We do have a level here. Look at how nicely this level was used before. So you can see that the previous month's candle, which is this one, it actually went and closed below the same level. So as we are speaking now, the price is somehow below the same place. We don't expect the current month's candle to actually close green. We don't expect it that by the end of this month the price is still green and above this line. That's why we are saying this could be a very good sell. If you are on this chart as we're speaking now, you should be looking for sell positions, expecting those sells to push price at least up to this point here. So we are going to sell it immediately if a sell signal happens. We expect that sell to push us down at least up to this point here. The next symbol which I want us to look at is USD JPY. So with the USD JPY so far, we are also in some uptrend. It looks like the price is gaining momentum to the upper side. So we do have a level here. We do have a very good level. We have a horizontal level here. We have a level there where the price is now, and then we also have another level here. Then we have another one here. So on this chart, technically these are the three levels we want to focus on. We have the first one here, 101.3 something, and then you have 114.03, then you have 124.08. So where the price is now could actually be a very good place to look for a sell from. This place here is the best place where if you want to look for a sell position on this chart, ensure you look for sell signals from within this area. Your first target should be set at this point here. Should be set at this point here. So basically So basically we do have another one here. This is a very good place. So if you sell it there, hold on to that position at least up to this level here. If the price should go below this line, then expect it to continue down at least up to 101.100. And in case the price closes beyond this line here, the one we have at the top, 114.008, then we'd like to see some struggling. That's some clear signs that the price has truly crossed beyond this point, so that we pick a buy position. We are expecting that buy to push price much higher, at least up to this level here. So that should make some sense. That should make a lot of sense actually. The next chart which I want us to look at, GBP USD. So with the GBP USD so far, we were expecting sellers to push price downwards. We were sellers actually. For some reasons the price moved up and currently is even above where the previous candle opened. So this is not a sign that we are in an uptrend. On this chart I'm looking for strictly sell positions. Just a second, let me check something. I'm looking for sell positions. So we have this, we had a line here. This is the level which was broken, which was signaling that we are sellers. After the price, the previous month's candle, which is this one, after it closed below this point, this is the sign that you're supposed to look for sell positions. However, the price pulled back up and is around the same place. So we are still sellers on this chart. We actually do expect more sell positions, at least up to this point here. So as long as the price does not reach this level here, we are still sellers, at least up to this point here. So we expect some sellers to come in, especially from around the opening price of the previous month's candle or the high of the previous month's high. We'll sell it there. Our stop loss is here, and then our take profit is fixed at this price, 1.32614. The next symbol which I'd like us to look at, I want us to look at gold. So with gold so far, nothing much appears to be happening. The price is still struggling around the same levels. It's struggling around some key area. We'll look at that on the 1 hour chart, 1 week weekly chart. So on this we have a trend line. On the weekly chart we do have a trend line from the top here, and then we have another one from the bottom. So basically this remains to be a good place to look for a buy from. The trend line we have at the bottom here is a good place to look for a buy from. From the top we do have a sell here, from the bottom we do have a buy here. In case the price breaks and closes above this line here, then we do expect a continuation to the upper side, at least up to this level here. Then the next line is this one here, and then on the upper side we have the one at the on the lower side. Now we have this here. We also have another one here. So basically if the price crosses above this level here, we expect it to continue up, at least up to this point here. If the price breaks below this line, we expect it to go down up to this point, where if it breaks below, then we do expect a continuation downwards, at least up to this point here. So technically we do have a level here, we have a level here, we have a level here, and we have another level here at the very top. The next chart which I want us to focus on, the last one for the day, is the SP500. So with the SP500 we've been bullish. The price is very much to the upper side. Actually on this chart we expect buyers to take full control. We'd like to see price clearly ascend and close beyond this line here. We expect price to break and close beyond this line. If this happens, then this will be a sign that we are now continuing to the upper side. So just wait for price to clearly ascend beyond 4667.2, 4567. This is 46 67.6. Expect price to close beyond it, that is after the end of this month. Then if the price pulls back down to the same place, then this will give us the actual place to look for a buy from. So basically we'd like to see buyers come in, especially after the break beyond this level here. So thank you very much. This should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you. See you.